10 highest paying medical jobs in America. It's no secret that the economy has been on a roller coaster ride for the past decade. One of the more recent trends is that people are working longer hours and getting paid less. Or at least that seems like. The truth is, there are some great medical jobs out there that will pay you well over $100,000 annually, if not more. In this video, we'll take a look at 10 of those highest paying medical careers in the United States. Before starting with the list, the rankings are based on the average salaries of each job's annual pay across all locations from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS. Keep in mind that some jobs have high salaries and require more training and education, which will factor into their overall ranking for this list. Ready to see who makes it into the top 10? Let's get started. Number 10. General Internal Medicine Physicians. Internal medicine physicians are one of the highest paid jobs in the USA. They have an annual salary of $210,960. General internal medicine physicians, or internists, are responsible for the diagnosis and treatment of adults. This includes diagnosing and managing chronic conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. They also treat various types of infections and provide preventive care. They are particularly skilled in diagnosing perplexing medical complications and providing continuing care for patients with multiple health problems. A 4-year degree in medicine is required to become an internist. After completing medical school, physicians must complete a 3-year residency in internal medicine. They can begin practicing internal medicine after completing general internal medicine residency training, or an internist may specialize in a certain area of internal medicine, such as cardiology or infectious diseases. General internal medicine is a vital part of the overall healthcare system, and its services are in high demand. As our population ages, the need for internists will continue to grow. Number 9. Family Medicine Physicians. Family medicine physicians are another one of the highest paying jobs in America. They have an annual salary of $214,370. Family medicine physicians give comprehensive and continuing health care for all family members, from newborns to the elderly. They are generalists who are skilled in the diagnosis and treatment of a wide range of medical problems. They also provide preventive care, including health promotion and education, and counseling on lifestyle changes to improve overall health. Family medicine physicians are trained to treat illnesses and injuries on an outpatient basis. They can also admit patients to the hospital when necessary, but they do not provide intensive care or emergency services. After receiving their medical degrees, family medicine doctors typically complete a residency program in family medicine. These physicians must be board certified before obtaining full licensure to practice in the United States, and they are required to complete ongoing training throughout their medical careers. Family medicine is one of the fastest growing career fields. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, this occupation will grow 5% by 2030. Number 8. Prothodontists. Prothodontists are dental specialists who create and fit dental prostheses or artificial replacements for missing teeth. They have an annual salary of $214,870. Prothodontists are in high demand because there is a growing need for dental prostheses. They can diagnose and treat complex oral conditions. They are also able to perform surgery, including dental implant placement. This field has become increasingly necessary as more people receive implants, dentures, bridges, and other forms of tooth replacement to improve their oral health or function. Prothodontists typically work in private dental practices. They may also work in hospitals or other healthcare facilities. To become a prosthodontist, one must complete an undergraduate degree and then attend dental school to earn their Doctor of Dental Surgery (DDS) or Doctor of Dental Medicine (DMD) degree. After dental school, they must complete a residency in prosthodontics and pass a rigorous examination administered by the American Board of Prosthodontics to receive full licensure. The most recent data from the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics projects that prosthodontists will see an 8% job growth by 2030. Number 7. Psychiatrists. Psychiatrists are specifically trained to diagnose as well as treat mental illnesses or psychopathological conditions. They are one of the highest paying jobs in America, with a $217,100 per year salary. Psychiatrists have a wide range of specialties, such as general adult, child and adolescent psychiatry, addiction medicine, forensic psychiatry. They may also conduct psychotherapy sessions with their patient, during which they attempt to discover the root cause of their patient's mental illnesses. Psychiatrists typically work in private practice, although there is an increasing trend of psychiatrists working in hospitals or other institutional settings. To become a psychiatrist, one must first complete an undergraduate degree and then attend medical school and complete a residency in psychiatry. They must then pass a licensing examination for them to practice the profession. Number 6. Specialist physicians. Specialist physicians are among the highest-paying medical jobs in the USA, with an annual salary of $218,850. These physicians have completed additional training and education in a specific area of medicine. There are many different specialist physicians, including cardiologists, dermatologists, gastroenterologists, neurologists, oncologists, and pulmonologists. Specialist physicians typically work in private practice or hospitals. They may also work for health insurance companies or other healthcare facilities. To become a specialist physician, one must attend medical school for 4 years to earn their Doctor of Medicine (MD) or Doctor of Osteopathic Medicine (DO) degree. Although some professions require a residency program, others may get fellowship training afterward. Number 5. Oral and maxillofacial surgeons. Oral and maxillofacial surgeons are a surgical profession considered one of America's highest-paying medical jobs. They have an annual salary of $234,994. Oral and maxillofacial surgeons are responsible for diagnosing and treating diseases, injuries, and defects in the head, neck, face, jaws, and teeth. This may include corrective surgery on the jawbone or repairing facial bones. They also perform dental implantation procedures as well as wisdom tooth removal. To start becoming an oral and maxillofacial surgeon, one must first complete an undergraduate degree, attend dental school, and then complete a residency program. After completing residency training, they must apply for certification through the American Board of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery. Number 8. Orthodontists. Orthodontists are a branch of dentistry specializing in treating and preventing dental issues, such as crooked teeth or malocclusion. They are one of the highest-paying jobs in the USA, with an annual salary of $237,990. Most orthodontists engage in private practice, providing direct patient care, while some work for other institutions, like hospitals or the government. To become an orthodontist, one must first complete a dental degree, then complete a specialized residency program in orthodontics. They must then pass a certification examination through the American Board of Orthodontics. The job outlook for orthodontists is good. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics states that it should grow 8% from 2020, which is much faster than average job growth for all occupations in America. Number 3. Obstetricians-gynecologists. This is another one of the highest-paying jobs in America, with an annual salary of $239,120. Obstetricians-gynecologists are physicians who specialize in the care of women during their pregnancies and provide general health care services to women throughout their lives. Obstetricians-gynecologists may work in solo practice, group practices, hospitals, or clinics. They also provide advice on contraception and family planning to their patients. They're practically good at handling high-stress situations, such as births that can happen at odd hours of the day or night. To become an obstetrician-gynecologist, one must complete an undergraduate degree, attend medical school for 4 years, and then complete a residency program in obstetrics and gynecology for another 4 years. After that, these specialists must pass a licensing test before practicing. Number 2. Surgeons. These specialists are compensated well, with an annual salary of $251,650. Surgeons may have lengthy, irregular shifts depending on their area of expertise and the type of surgery they're performing. Surgeons may still need to deal with patient concerns over the phone, and on-call surgeons frequently end up making emergency trips to a hospital. Surgeons play a vital role in any medical field. They are responsible for diagnosing and treating diseases, injuries, or defects that require surgical intervention by providing direct care to patients before, during, and after surgery. There are many different surgeons, including cardiothoracic surgeons, neurosurgeons, plastic surgeons, and urologists. After completing medical school, one must attend a surgical residency to be a surgeon. In some cases, one may attend a fellowship program after residency to specialize in a certain area of surgery. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the field is expected to grow by 3% from 2020 to 2030. And the number one highest paying medical specialist jobs in America is... Number 1. Anesthesiologists. These highest-paying specialists have an annual salary of $271,440 and are responsible for preventing, diagnosing, and treating patients before surgery or other medical procedures. They also monitor the patient's vital signs during the procedure to ensure it is executed safely. These doctors must have excellent communication skills as they work closely with surgeons, nurses, radiologist technicians, all while dealing with patients who may be anxious or in pain. Anesthesiologists must attend medical school for 4 years and then complete a residency program. They must then pass a certification exam before they can practice. This field, however, is expected to decline by 1% from 2020 to 2030, but as the U.S. population continues to grow, demand for anesthesiologists is still expected to be high. Final word. So there you have it, the highest paying medical jobs in the USA according to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. As you can see, various medical specialties are among the top earners, so if you're looking to make some serious bank, a career in medicine may be the right choice for you. If you're looking for one of the top 10 highest paying medical jobs in the USA, this list should help give you an idea of where your search may be fruitful. The next step is to find the right job for you and then start your journey to a high-paying medical career. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and turn on the notification bell.